Now, question 2 on this year's exam is going to probably create just a little bit more of a technical difficulty, a little bit higher level of stress for you maybe, because we're not just downloading or printing out the sheet and filling it out. You're going to be actually trying to record yourself, your own voice, singing these responses, making sure that that worked, and you have this limited amount of time to do it. So I think it would be very helpful for you to get on there, practice just the whole process of singing the melodies, recording them, and making sure that you were able to record them correctly. So same place, I'm going to find my example questions here on the College Board. I'm in the AP Courses and Exams site already, in that spot of the exam, and I go to the previous exams. Sight singing questions now I'm going to look at. Instead of the theory questions, I'm going to be doing the sight singing questions. Okay, so here's my sight singing questions from 2019. Now, the directions here be helpful for you to go through those. I'm going to actually probably be doing a couple more videos about sight singing, some of the techniques that you'll need to use, and we'll maybe go over those directions a little bit. But here you find the melody. This is what you're given. So I would probably go ahead and print that off and then figure out exactly what it sounds like, memorize what it sounds like, and then record that. There's 2 melodies. One of them is in major, one of them is in minor, one of them is in simple time, and one of them is in a compound time. They'll probably be having all of those things happening for you on the exam this year. So you can use the 2019, or again, you can go back to previous years' past exam questions, and just instead of clicking on the theory questions, you'll click on the sight singing questions right here. Now, one thing that might be helpful for you, once you go in there and you sing those 2 examples from that year, then come back over here and listen to these sight singing commentaries and samples. It'll kind of tell you this score, or this example got this score because they missed these notes, or they didn't hold this note long enough, or whatever it was. And then it kind of gives you a better strategy to go into singing these and getting the full points for them.